What's up, CCV Kids? It's Wayback Wednesday.
That's right, and we're going into our CCV Kids vault to show you a classic. Hope you enjoy it.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Yavin here, and with me, a special guest, my very own little cousin,
YouTube Gavin.
Yeah, he likes YouTube Gavin. That's fine. It's just Gavin. So today we are gonna do more sound effects. Woo! Sound effects. That's right. Today's sound effects are vehicles. Lots of kind of vehicles, just all kinds of vehicles. And we're gonna start with motorcycles. I like Harley Davidson. Your turn, Gavin. What do you got?
I like to save the environment, so I brought my bike. Ching ching. Excuse me. Ching ching. Ching ching. Ching ching. Ching ching. Ching ching.
All right. Now I've got a Kawasaki. Next, we have our favorite car. I'm gonna go with the Dodge Challenger. What do you got, Gavin?
I really like Toyota Prius. Oh, got trash I gotta pick up. Gotta save the planet.
Let's go military vehicles now. A tank. Fire!
I'm gonna go underwater as a submarine. Boop. 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 Boop.
Underwater.
Boop.
I'm a Navy SEAL.
Boop.
Or maybe just a SEAL.
Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Torpedo. Ah. Oh, I missed you.
Woo! That was close. And finally, two of our favorite vehicles, Mater and Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow! Let's go, buddy!
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do this thing now. Tow truck, man.
Yeah, nice! Ka-chow, ka-chow, ka-chow!
Oh, there's some car. They're going way too fast. Oh my gosh, gotta get her done. Oh, no, I can't go any faster.
Let's go, Mater!
I get so tired.
We got this. We got... Oh.
Cars is my favorite movie of all time. I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Hey, what's your favorite movie of all time? Talk about that right now.